In this video class, I am going to discuss about fundamental principle of counting in permutations and combinations. This is the first concept, fundamental principle of counting. This is very important. Here two types are there. First one, multiplication principle, and the second one, addition principle. What is the difference between these two? Well, we can discuss some examples also. Here, what is the multiplication principle? Here two works are there. First one can be done in m different ways, and the second work can be done in n different ways. And here second one, that is the dependent of the first one also. Then both the works can be done in m into n different ways. Whenever the second work depends upon the first work, then we have to apply multiplication. And both are different, both are disjoint. Here second work not depends upon the first work, then we can use place, addition principle. If a work can be done in m ways and another work, second work can be done in n different ways, then either of the two works can be performed in m plus n ways. Here either for the multiplication principle we can use and both the works can be done in R, and intersection only, we can use intersection only here. Here addition principle we can use either, at least, or, either, at least, or. Here and both. Intersection. Here both are not disjoint. Joint, here disjoint. Both the works are disjoint. Now here we can discuss some example problems based on this one. Here small example. A man traveling from Jaipur to Mumbai. Jaipur to Mumbai. Here two types are there. Via Ahmedabad, via Kota also he can travel. Here traveling from Jaipur to Mumbai via Ahmedabad or via Kota. See here, in how many ways a person can travel from Jaipur to Mumbai? Jaipur to Mumbai. Jaipur to Mumbai. If via Ahmedabad, here via Ahmedabad or via Kota. Jaipur to Ahmedabad and Ahmedabad to Mumbai. Jaipur to Kota, Kota to Mumbai. Here Jaipur to Ahmedabad, how many ways are there? Here three routes are there, three ways are there to reach Ahmedabad. And see, in how many ways a person can travel from Jaipur to Mumbai? What is the question here? Jaipur to Mumbai. Here Jaipur to Ahmedabad, three ways are there. This is not yet completed, that work not yet been done. So here work is not yet completed, then we can use into. See here, first work can be done in m different ways, three different ways. And from Ahmedabad to Mumbai, how many routes are there? Two ways are there. So the number of ways traveling from Jaipur to Mumbai via Ahmedabad, here 3 into 2, 6 ways are there. So that work completed. If it is completed, next second one is there, one more. One is completed, so here you can use place, either via Ahmedabad or Kota. Or whenever we get R, then you can use the plus only. Here Jaipur to Mumbai via Ahmedabad, here three different ways are there. Here we can't stop here. We have to reach Mumbai only. Here to travel to Ahmedabad there are three ways. This is not yet completed. So second one depends upon the first one also. Here we can't jump to Mumbai directly. So we have to reach that first Ahmedabad, then from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. So Ahmedabad to Mumbai there are two ways are there. So total number of ways to travel from Jaipur to Mumbai via Ahmedabad there are m into n, 3 into 2, 6 ways are there. Next, Jaipur to Kota, total how many ways are there? 4 ways are there. and Kota to Mumbai, there are three ways are there. Jaipur to Kota, that is not yet completed. So second one depends upon the first one also. So then we can use into the total number of ways to travel from Jaipur to Mumbai via Kota, 4 into 3, that is 12. So total number of ways, the total number of ways to reach Mumbai from Jaipur either via Ahmedabad or Kota, that is 18 ways are there. See here we are using a multiplication, here also we are using multiplication principle, but here after completion of both the works, here we are using addition. So this is completed, one is completed in m ways, that is completed. Second one not depends upon the first one only, that's why here we are using plus. Second one can be done in 12 ways. So both the works either of this one, either this one or this one can be done in m plus n ways. So here we are using both the principles, principle of fundamental principle of multiplication and principle of addition, both are we are using. Now second one, in how many ways a person can complete a circular trip from Jaipur to Mumbai, and again back to Jaipur via Kota in to and fro journey. What is the meaning of that one? Here this is we are not using this one. In to and fro journey via Kota while reaching the Mumbai or Mumbai to coming back to Jaipur via Kota only. In to and fro journey via Kota we are doing that one. So here Jaipur to Kota, Kota to Mumbai, and coming back Mumbai to Kota, and Kota to Jaipur. Jaipur to Kota, how many ways are there? 4 ways are there. And this is not yet completed. In to and fro journey, going to Mumbai and coming back to Jaipur. See here, Jaipur to Kota 4 ways are there, and Kota to Mumbai 3 ways are there. Into Mumbai to Kota again 3 ways are there. Kota to Jaipur 4 ways are there. Total number of ways traveling from Jaipur to Mumbai and Mumbai to Jaipur in to and fro journey via Kota, that is equal to 4 3 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 12 12 are 144 ways. See the difference between all the three. Here what is the third one? The same question we have to write. In how many ways a person can complete a circular trip from Jaipur to Mumbai and again back to Jaipur via Kota in to and fro journey such that the following a different route between every pair of cities. See, whenever he is traveling from Jaipur to Kota, in return, for example, if he selects this one while traveling from Jaipur to Kota, if he selects this one, in return, other than this one, 3 ways are there. For traveling from Jaipur to Kota, here 4 ways are there, but in return, Kota to Jaipur, here only 3 ways are there. In different route only, he has to select, don't select whatever he traveled. Other than that one, remaining how many routes are there? 3 ways are there. So here, for the third one, I am writing here solution. Jaipur to Kota, Kota to Mumbai, Mumbai to Kota, Kota to Jaipur. Jaipur to Kota 4 ways are there, and into Kota to Mumbai 3 ways are there, into Mumbai to Kota. Here in a different way, here only 2 ways are there. Here Kota to Mumbai, he selected one out of the 3 ways are there. After traveling this one in one route, here different routes, how many ways are there? 2 are there. Kota to Jaipur, here 3 ways are there. 4 3 are 12, 24, 72. So if we here restriction is there, condition is there, different route between every pair of cities only. So if he travels this one, in the return he can select any one of the three. Here multiplication principle I am giving more two examples, and one more thing. Here I am attaching one. Here I am attaching one assignment also. Here I am attaching one assignment also. In a shelf there are three different Hindi books and two different Sanskrit books. Three different Hindi books are there and two different Sanskrit books are there. In how many ways a student select a Hindi book and a Sanskrit book? Here total how many Hindi books are there? Total three are there. The number of ways of selecting one Hindi book, that is only three ways are there. We can select any one. Here H1, H2, H3. Three Hindi books are there. I can select H1 or H2 or H3. So three ways are there to select one Hindi book. And the Sanskrit books also two are there. So the number of ways of selecting one Sanskrit book. Here he has to select both. One Hindi book and one Sanskrit book only. See, after selecting the Hindi book, the work is not yet completed. If it is not completed, you can put into. And he has to select when it completes. If he selects one more Sanskrit book also, the number of ways of selecting one Sanskrit book, that is 2. Now this is completed. So second one depends upon the first one only. Here we have to select two books. One is Hindi book and one is a Sanskrit book. Here we are using and. A student can select a Hindi book and. Whenever we use and or both, whenever the meaning comes and or both, then we can use the multiplication principle only. So the number of ways selecting one Hindi book and one Sanskrit book, that is equal to 6 ways are there. Next one, a two-wheeler agent sells scooters and motorcycles. In each body pattern, two capacities 100 cc and 150 cc available. In each body there are 4 colors. See here 100 cc body pattern, how many colors are there? 4. 150 cc also 4 colors are there. Now what he is doing? The number of choices we have to buy a vehicle. Vehicle means either this one or this one he has to select. See the number of ways. See here. Total body patterns, how many are there? Total body patterns 2 are there. And models, body patterns 2 are there. Models 2 are there. See here, body patterns, one is a scooter, another one motor. Scooter and motorcycle, 2 are there, body patterns. And models, 2 types are there, 100 cc and 150 cc, 2 types are there. And each one 4 colors are there. 4 colors are there. So in body patterns he has to select one out of 2. There are 2 ways are there to select one. And models also 2 models are there. He has to, so the total number of ways to select one model, 2 ways are there. Colors also 4 are there. The number of ways selecting one model. Total number of ways selecting one vehicle, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 4, that is equal to 16 ways are there to select one vehicle. Here we are using the additional principle. A college offers 7 courses in the morning and 5 in the evening. Find the number of ways a student can select exactly one course either in the morning or in the evening. See here, the total number of ways, that is equal to total number of ways, that is equal to, so he has to select one course. In the morning session 7 courses are there, and in the evening session 5 courses are there. He has to select exactly one course, either in the morning or in the evening. So in the morning 7 courses are there. How many ways to select one course? In the morning session 7 courses are there. So the total number of ways to select one course out of 7, that is 7 ways. See, this is also completed. In the morning session, the number of ways 7 courses are there. The second one not depends upon the first one. So here we can use place. Either is there at least one, either. Then or is there, we can use plus one. So 7 ways we can select one course. 7 ways are there to select one course in the morning session. And in the evening session also 5 courses are there. The number of ways selecting one course, 5 ways are there. So 7 plus 5, total 12 ways are there. Either in the morning or in the evening, to select one course, there are totally 12 ways. A shelf contains 3 different Hindi books and 7 different Sanskrit books. The number of ways to select one book of any language, either Hindi or, here we are using either Hindi, either is there, we can use additional principle only. Total number of ways is equal to total number of ways, that is equal to, here the number of ways to select one book only. Here 3 different Hindi books are there. The number of ways selecting one Hindi book, that is 3 ways are there. So that is completed. Or place, the number of ways to select Sanskrit book. Total how many Sanskrit books are there? 7 are there. So the total number of ways to select one Sanskrit book, that is 7. Total 10 ways are there to select exactly one language book. Next one. There are 16 bedroom flats in a building and 10 2-bedroom flats in another building and 8 2-bedroom flats in third building. The number of choices the customer will have for buying a flat is, see here, this one also, he has to buy one flat only. The total number of ways that customer buy the flat, total number of ways. Total number of ways a customer will buy the flat, exactly one flat only. See here, in the first building, how many are there? 16 2-bedroom flats are there. The total number of ways to buy one 2-bedroom flat, that is 16 ways are there. That is completed only. So place, one more possibility also there here, but that is not depends upon the first one. He can select another in the second building. Total 8 2-bedroom flats are there. The total number of ways to buy one flat, that is 8 ways are there. So next one, place. In the third building also, total how many are there? In the third building, sorry, here 10 are there in the second building. Here 8 are there. So total 34, 26, 34 ways are there to buy a flat. Either in the first building, either whenever we are using either, meaning is there, then we can use additional principle, and meaning is there, then we can use a multiplication principle. Only that is the difference. Thank you.